Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make huge paper flowers. Using my template you will need 8 large petals, 8 medium and 10 small petals, 1 stamen and a base. Once cut, snip into the bottom of the petals with a pair of scissors. Next, using a wooden dowel or even a spatula handle as seen here, roll the edges of your petals inwards until they gently curl. Arrange the 3 sizes of petals in a row just to see how far into the circle you need to place them. You don't want to be left with a great big gap in the middle which your stamen can't fill. I marked this with a pencil. To reinforce your base circle, you can add a little bit of extra card or mount board. Next, turn your petals over so the curl faces downwards. Using a glue gun, place 1 little bit of glue along the slit of the petal that you just cut. I do 3 petals at a time as it takes a little while for the glue to cool. Cross over the 2 cut pieces and are secured together with the glue. As you can see, the more you cross these pieces over, the more the petal will raise up. The larger petals do not need to stand up as much. When you do the smaller petals, cross over the 2 pieces a bit more so they lift up more. This way the outer petals will lay flatter and the centre petals will stand up more like a real flower. Next it's time to assemble your flower. Work from side to side evenly across so your first layer of 8 petals are evenly spaced. On your second layer, use your medium petals and go in between each other large petal. Next, work with your small petals. Do a circle of 5 and then on the middle layer, another circle of 5. Sometimes you may only need 4 petals for this middle layer. Slightly bend your stamen stems and pop your stamen in the middle.